So day trading is quite difficult for a few reasons, obviously, right? But one of the reasons why it's difficult, it's the psychological aspect of it. People who are not trading and seeing the markets from the sidelines might think that it shouldn't be that difficult because we get in a trade and we win or we lose. There's no in between, right? Or there could be in between, but it's not a big deal. You either win or you lose. And what gets really annoying and frustrating is when you almost win and then you don't because you missed the trade by a very small fraction, you know, or you get stopped out and you lose on the trade, like you set your stop, you get stopped out, but that's the last portion of the pullback, or that's where the market goes, and then it reverses to your target right after it stops you out. So when that happens multiple times in 1 week or even one day, you know, it gets very frustrating sometimes, and then, you know, revenge trading could lead into that, or over trading in general could lead into it. So trading is just very difficult, guys. So if you're struggling, I mean, keep going. I mean, mentally, it's one of the most difficult things to overcome. This is why successful traders have such a high reward, because the things that they had to go through to really get there is the reason why the job is so rewarding. If anyone could do it, if it was so easy to do it, the reward wouldn't be there, you know? This is why the transfer of wealth is the way it is, you know? People that work hard for it, eventually when they go through all the BS that everyone else has to go through, some people just don't make it past it, then, you know, the reward is quite high. But obviously, for me, with the new account, so I almost passed the account yesterday on the recording. I missed the fill by a tick, and I didn't get it, and I kept trading, and I couldn't get much going, so I stopped trading for most of the afternoon. Now, right before the close, the market became a little volatile, so I decided to take one more trade. And I came again within one tick. So of course, at that point, my stop is at break even. And it hits me break even, then it goes a little bit higher because it was a short trade. But then right after 4 p.m., which we could still trade, we could trade till 5 p.m., it tanks. And it tanks because of Amazon's earnings. I think it was Amazon. But anyway, like, it's just very tough to overcome those things and no one understands it from outside, because even when I watch my recordings, right? So let's say I watch my recording from yesterday and I'll watch it today. I will say to myself, why did I get frustrated? I mean, it's not a big deal. You miss a trade, you move on, you know, you move on to the next trade. But when you're in the heat of the moment, it's very difficult. And I know a lot of people struggle with this, and it's nothing wrong with that. It's just you have to work on it and get better. So I'm getting better with that. I definitely got a lot better with FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. So let's say I arm Polarity ATI, or I'm looking for a trade and I don't get a trigger and the trade goes my way. I don't really end up chasing it. So that is something I used to do, and now I really worked on that. But the biggest struggle for me is getting a, let's say, trade very close to my target and then it reversing, and that happening multiple times, or getting stopped out and then the trade goes my way and you get stopped out to a tick, you know, and then it reverses and goes to the target. So those are the two things I have to work on to really get past it. And I think trading with bigger size allows for that a little bit more, because it's easier to take a partial trade, a partial profit. You don't need as many wins on the day to really make for a nice day too. So I think once I'm trading 3-4 contracts, that would be much easier to do. But anyway, guys, today I finished the day up, down 250 after commissions or so, roughly there. And I had, I think, 3 wins, 4 losses, and 2 break-even trades, and couldn't really get much going. And it's funny how, in hindsight, if you pull up the S&P 500, the ES Mini from today, Friday, the 28th, I think it is, it looks so easy to trade. It looks like it's just going straight up and whatever, you know, and like as long as you elongate, you win. Well, most of my losses today were actually on the long side, and I have no idea why, but I guess I was using the trend mode a little bit too much, and the trend mode just did not work out for me as well as it did yesterday, because the market just didn't continue when I did arm, and then it continued later on when I didn't arm, so, or there was no trigger. But anyway, guys, that was a quick update. I am home now. I am gonna take a quick shower, just got a haircut, eat some lunch, and head out to work. I'll be crazy busy. This is my last crazy weekend before I slow down till end of the year. So hopefully with that, I'll be able to make daily recaps. Okay, then I'll be able to make some other trading videos. A lot of people are asking about different evaluations. I have friends asking about different brokers, comparing brokers, what broker they should go with, especially people that are coming from stocks. I also want to explain what the footprints and how we are trading works from very basic level. People that are watching my videos too have no idea. They've never seen a footprint chart. They're just used to seeing a candlestick chart. So I want to make videos like that. And then for 5,000 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway and maybe a live stream as well. I'll definitely do some live streams. I don't know if it's going to be before or after 5K, but for the 5K giveaway, I want to do a live stream. I have no idea what I'm going to give away yet, whether it's polarity license, whether it's footprint charts, maybe an evaluation or two. I have no idea. I wanted to do polarity, but at the same time, I just don't know if it's something that people are super interested in to get right now, since, you know, a lot of people are still kind of inconsistent with it. So maybe someone wants to try it and, you know, enter the giveaway, but at the same time, I want to do a giveaway for those who are already watching my videos and are in the Discord too. So we'll see. Nothing is planned yet. Nothing is set in stone. We'll see how it goes. We'll see when we get there. If we get there super quick, then, you know, we might have to wait a little bit. But anyway, guys, it's now 1 p.m. so I gotta leave by 2:45 the latest to work, so there's no way I'm gonna take another trade. So I'll just give it another go on Monday, and hopefully we could pass on Monday. Then on Monday I'll do a recap as well, whether it's one trade to pass or, you know, multiple trades. And I'm gonna try to pass it with one mini, so I'm not gonna scale up. So we need around I don't know, like $450 or $500 to pass. So it's still quite a ways away. And it's funny because I was only one tick away 3 times from passing, and it is how it, you know, it goes how it goes sometimes, and you just got to get over it and move on. And again, guys, if you are interested in signing up for an evaluation, this is a good weekend to do so. Obviously they have sales all the time, but like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas, those are the big sales. So like Bullnox, Apex, Tick, Earn to Trade, all of them have some kind of sale. So just do the research which one works for best for you. I do want to make a comparison video between all the firms, maybe do a review of all the firms as well from what I could find. Obviously, if you haven't taken a withdrawal from them, it's hard to give a full review, but at least from Tick, I know I got a withdrawal. So it wasn't the easiest process, but I got it, and it was good, but it also wasn't like a huge amount of money either, you know. So anyway, guys, happy Friday, happy Halloween weekend. I'll talk to you guys on Halloween on Monday, and any questions, just leave them down below. I just wanted to pop in here and just do this random video to give you guys an update in case you haven't seen my post. I posted in the community on YouTube. So I posted a screenshot of my last trade, which also missed me by a tick, and let's not even get into it. But crazy how time flies when you're having fun. It's already been 9 minutes, so hopefully you're still watching this. If not, well, this video isn't the best. It's just something that I wanted to pop in and on my way home from the haircut to, you know, give you guys an update before I head out to work. Peace out, everyone.